Hello and welcome to Tip Tuesday on NLF Live. And today I'm going to be talking to you about a question I get pretty often, which is, do you need an attorney, right? So many people are always like, should I hire an attorney? Do I really need an attorney? All I want to do is take this deal. I know that the prosecutor said that they're going to let me take a DUI deal and give me probation. So like, do I really need an attorney to go in there and even help me with that? And the answer is, I would not give legal advice to anybody over the phone about what they should or shouldn't do. Ultimately, the choice is up to them, how they want to proceed. But realistically, there's so many things that an attorney who practices in the county and who deals with the DAs and these type of cases all the time know and are going to be on the lookout for, and that a regular person going into the courtroom, no matter how smart you are, no matter how educated you are, no matter how much experience you have in other industries, there are certain things that won't come to mind for you. Some people think, well, I was drinking, I was above a .08, and so I'm just going to plead guilty and get this over with. Well, the thing is, let's say you were .09. That's above a .08, but there's a margin of error argument which would potentially, in most cases, allow us to reduce the plea from a DUI down to a wet reckless. There are things that we can do, like asking for a Hellman dollar in certain situations, which will prevent your license from being suspended. And these are things that the average person who does not practice law won't necessarily think about when going into court. Same thing for any other crime, not just DUIs, but some things. Let's say you don't have a criminal record. Well, why should you be on probation, and why should you take a conviction when there's likely some other alternative that we could work out, like a civil compromise or deferred entry of judgment or pre-plea diversion program? So many different things that will lead to a dismissal and won't lead to a conviction, right? These are, again, something that a skilled defense attorney is going to know about, going to be able to negotiate, and may be able to negotiate it rather quickly depending on the charge and depending on the county and the DA that they're interacting with. But my best recommendation for anybody, like if this was my brother, this was my sister, somebody I cared about being faced with a crime, like trust a skilled, experienced defense attorney. It's worth the money. Sometimes people are concerned about what they're going to spend, but the cost and consequence of trying to do it on your own is going to end up costing you more than investing in yourself and investing in wise counsel. So that is my take on to try to handle a case. Take care and thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.